St. Stephen's Green Gardens, Dublin, Ireland. St. Stephen's Green is one of Dublin's most beautiful and historic public parks, located right in the heart of the city centre at the top of Grafton Street. As soon as you step inside its gates, the noise of the city fades away and you are surrounded by peaceful gardens, colourful flower beds, and the relaxing sound of fountains. It's a favourite spot for both locals and tourists who want to enjoy nature, take a slow walk, sit on a bench, or have a quiet moment away from the busy streets of Dublin. The gardens date back to the 17th century, but the park as we see it today was redesigned in the Victorian style in 1880. Much of its charm comes from this classic design: curved pathways, decorative bridges, ornamental lakes, and beautifully arranged plants. The lake in the center of the park is home to ducks, swans, and other birds, making it a wonderful place for families and nature lovers. Children often enjoy watching the birds, while photographers love capturing reflections in the water and the greenery surrounding the lake. As you walk through the park, you will notice many historical statues and monuments. These include memorials to important Irish figures such as Arthur Guinness, Constance Markievicz, James Joyce, and the Famine Memorial. Each sculpture offers a glimpse into Ireland's cultural and political history, adding depth and meaning to your visit. There is also a charming Victorian bandstand, which is still used for summer performances and events.
Bueno, pues
St. Stephen's Green is not only a beautiful garden, but also a place filled with stories. During the 1916 Easter Rising, the park became a battleground where Irish volunteers set up positions. Today, small signs and information boards explain these events, helping visitors understand the park's important role in Ireland's path to independence. The gardens are open to the public for free, making them one of the best free attractions in Dublin. People come here to enjoy picnics on the grass, read a book under the trees, or simply relax during their lunch break. In spring and summer, the flower displays are especially vibrant, while autumn brings warm colors that make the park look magical. Whether you're filming a walking tour, exploring Dublin for the first time, or just looking for a peaceful place to unwind, St. Stephen's Green Gardens is a must-visit location that showcases the relaxing and elegant side of the Irish capital. If you enjoy travel videos, walking tours, and shopping videos, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more beautiful and informative content from cities, shopping centers, and scenic places around the world. Thank you for watching.